Good morning. Another very chilly day, but a fun day because I have 2 mystery manis, which is exciting. Both builders, so that's my entire day essentially. The first one at 10 and I think the second one at like 3:30. So I'm looking forward to those. They're both getting a Valentine's Day set. I hope they like Valentine's Day. The sweetie order I've been waiting for is set to arrive I think today. So tomorrow I don't actually have any appointments. I think I'm going to do some editing in the morning and then in the afternoon come in here and then film an unboxing of the new products, which I'm so excited about because that means I get to see what they're all like. And then I think Saturday, as of now, I think I have an appointment in the morning, and if it stays that way with no other appointment to follow, then I'm gonna do my own nails, which is exciting because they've been on since before Christmas. It's been over a month now, almost 5 weeks, so I'm in need, but I've been waiting for these new products to arrive, so I'm really excited about them. We've been working hard, and by we, I mean mostly Pat, has been working hard at decluttering our apartment, getting ready for the move. We've lived in our apartment for a really long time, so we have a lot of decluttering to do. It's very satisfying. My mom is the best. She's like coming and picking up all of the like bags of donation stuff, and then she's like going through it and then donating based on like certain charity groups and like what would work for each place. So that's been awesome. She's been super helpful with that, but I'm just so excited to move. But anyways, half hour till my client arrives, so I'm gonna start getting set up. Wow, I just finished up my appointment. I had to put my phone on silent mode because it was buzzing so much. Marketplace, 15 marketplace messages. Absolute insanity. So I've just gone back to everyone. Hopefully I can get some stuff sold tonight. Fingers crossed. Hello, happy Wednesday. I don't actually have any clients today. I'm just here to film because I got a massive Sweetie Nail supply box. I'm about to film like a swatching video, which will probably already be out by the time you're seeing this. So go check that out if you haven't yet. But my mom just came to pick up some stuff for donation, to donate on behalf of Pat and I. And then she drove me to my studio because I have so much shit with me. The size of that Sweetie Nail supply box is huge. So I'm gonna film that now. I've already been editing this morning. I'm gonna edit some more this afternoon. Made some Facebook Marketplace sales. So we're feeling good. I'm gonna eat now though because I'm fucking starving. But both Pat and my mom supplied me with some food today for lunch. Pat like picked up some like tuna and crackers and stuff for me last night. And then my mom was like, bring crackers and a spoon. I have crab dip and veggies for you. She had a book club last night. So she is bringing me the leftovers because she's going out of town for a bit. So I have lots of food to eat, which is great because I think I'll eat it all. I made protein pancakes this morning. Pat and I normally split them. I ate the whole stack. I was so hungry and I'm so hungry again. I'm actually really excited to rip into this sweetie box though because it's massive. I got a PR box this morning, separate from nail stuff, but I thought we'd open it together because I took a little sneak peek and I saw who it's from, and I thought you guys would like to also see who it's from. We got a very glittery little YSL baggie. Isn't this cute? You guys have seen basically all my YSL PR packages and they always come in like some sort of silver gorgeous situation. Ooh, perfume. Okay, introducing the new Black Opium Eau de Parfum Glitter. Sexy glitter, fluffy pleasure. Wow. Super sexy and cheeky, voluptuous yet comforting. The new Marshmallow Musk Accord is a delicious paradox. In contrast, a balsamic whipped up musk and vanilla Black Opium signature coffee accord turns from shot of espresso to frothy cappuccino. The way this is printed, it's really hard to read because the punctuation is very unclear. Crunchy and juicy, a sweet fleshed pear accord is glammed up by glittering green mandarin from Italy. There's a lot going on in this fragrance. Wow, look how pretty the box is. My God. Open her up so I can give you a very uneducated smell test. I also really need a new perfume because I'm just finishing up one of my old YSL Black Opium. Oh my God, the bottle. She's perfect. Ooh. Okay, that's really nice. I don't think I put on the perfume today. Sorry about the car alarm out there. Okay, it's giving like sweetness and a bit fruity, but I'm like not a fruity, florally perfume type of gal. But like not in a horrific way. Like it's still very much, oh fuck, gives like Black Opium. I hope I like this fragrance considering I'm dousing myself in it. Oh, I just got myself right in the face. Oh, in my mouth too. Okay. It smells really good though. Yeah, I like it. If you're a fan of the Black Opium line, I would say go into store and smell this. I'm sure Sephora, if they don't already have it, they will soon. I just finished filming. Probably filmed for like 4.5 hours. Oh my God, that take forever because I was swatching everything as I was going and doing all those cat eyes one at a time. I'm exhausted. I have to clean my tools though because I annoyingly, past self, left those for me to do today thinking today would be a very chill day, which is not chill, but you know. So I'm gonna start cleaning my tools. I need to eat more food because I've been here and now I need multiple meals, and then I'm gonna get cleaned up because I do have clients tomorrow. So I want to have my station all prepped. What time's my client tomorrow actually? Noon actually. Oh, that's very nice. Wow. I'm gonna have the morning off, which is just lovely. So I'm gonna get clean and get eating and do more cleaning. Hello, I'm just cleaning up after my last client, and by last client I mean my first client of the day. We did a mystery mani, which is great, so I used 1,000,000 gels. I've been a Facebook Marketplace champion again today. Was selling things at 8 a.m. Just, you know, clearing out. It's been awesome. And now I have one more appointment for the day, and then I'm actually meeting someone here for Marketplace, and then I'm going home and meeting 2 more people. We're gonna have nothing left by the time I'm done with it. Yesterday I know I showed you guys the perfume I got, but I did get another PR package which I got that perfume in the morning and then I got this in the evening. Hang on, I'll show you. So this is the Lancome Genifique Ultimate, which is a serum. Look at this box that they sent it in. It's really cool. Woo. So I looked it up online because it didn't come with a pamphlet or anything, and you guys know I usually like to read the pamphlet, but it's supposed to be really great for aging skin. How dare they? And it's supposed to be super, super hydrating. So hyaluronic acid, I don't know what any of these other ones do, but I do know hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid likes damp skin. I feel like we all forget about that. So it's best to apply something moist before using this, so I'm using this after like a toner. But what's cool is the packaging. This is a refill. This has this in it, and then this is a refill. So let me show you how this works. I've actually tried it, and it feels nice. I don't know if the effects are affecting yet, but it feels nice. It took me way too long to figure out how to open it, but okay, you can pull this straight out, and then this is the refill, which is really, really cool. Pop that back in. But to actually open it, it's like a screw top, but it doesn't just, oh wait, it does. I thought you had to push the button down. Anyways, this is a screw top, and then when you pull it out like this, it's a little ample situation. Happy Friday! I got in a parcel from MGR. I didn't peel my labels off, so I'm not going to show you. It's just small, modest parcel with files. I know I mentioned the other day wanting more of the cores for the files, and I was like, ordering them all though. Oh no, one broke open. Ordering them all though is like, and having so many extra files is a bit annoying, but I did it anyway. But yeah, so now I have the extra metal cores that come with the pack of 50 files. Just because I have like most of my tools in like a set of 6, and the files were the only ones that I think I only have like 4 of them. So now I just have like even sets. But I do have 3 appointments today, 1 tier 1, a fix, and then a tier 3 at the end of the day. The tier 3, I still have no idea what we're doing. So I'm stressed. I like woke up stressed today because I also have a full day. Like my client started sending me stuff, but rather vague, and I don't have time to draw the setup. So I'm feeling overwhelmed. Okay, that set I was stressed about, it all worked out. We ended up like drawing it up together in the appointment and then adding stuff in like as we went. So we kind of did like the base, and I was like, I think we're gonna want more. And she's like, well, let's start here. And then we got to the point where we had drawn up, and then we're like, what else can we add? And we added stuff in, and they turned out super cute. So I'm happy about that. So I'm just gonna get cleaned up and I'm gonna head home. I'm freezing because we had the window open, which was nice while I was working, but now the studio is just cold and now I'm cold. So I need to like do some jumping jacks and then head home. Good morning. Another freezing morning here this morning. -17. So it was a chilly walk to work, as it always is when the temps are this frigid. Can you believe it was 2 degrees yesterday? And today it's -17. I can't believe that was crazy. But I have 2 appointments today. It's actually a pretty short day, which is fun. And then it's my weekend. I think my first appointment's a tier 1. And then my second appointment is just a gel mani solid color. So ultra mellow. Whenever I do this while I'm talking to you guys, I can't actually see because I take off my glasses. So I'm just feeling the vibes, basically, of this hairstyle. We are in the midst of like kind of rug shopping for our new place, which is hard because we don't live there yet, but we kind of want a new rug for when we do. What's happening? For when we actually move in, we want to have a rug there because we're having some people over shortly after we move in. So ideally, a rug would be nice, but we're trying to find one on Etsy, like a kind of interesting one. We're struggling just to figure out color, size. Size, I think we've sorted out because we have the measurements of the living room, but yeah, God, it's a little bit overwhelming. I was going to make a Pinterest board this morning of things that I liked to piece all together. And then I started to get stressed and just immediately abandoned. Oh yeah, I finished the book that I was reading yesterday. Did I mention this? And I always forget with the Kobo, it like says how many like minutes or hours you have left of reading. It says the percentage that you're at, tells you how many pages. But I always forget that there's like the end credits. Sometimes there's like a glossary at the back of the book depending on what you're reading. So I was like reading in this book and things were getting really, really fascinating. I mean, I really liked the book. I think it was The Moon That Hatched. is what it was called. But it got to a really interesting bit of towards the end and I was like, oh fuck, like what's gonna happen? And then all of a sudden it was like epilogue. And I was like, wait, that was the last chapter? That's how they're leaving this? This is crazy. There's another book in the series coming out in October, so I'm excited for that. But it totally caught me so off guard because I was keeping an eye on like how much time I had left to read, not taking into account that lots of those end pages were just going to be stuff I wasn't going to read. So I almost feel like in a state of shock that I'm done the book and I wasn't expecting to be, and I was like waiting for more things to happen, like in a good way because I wanted the story to continue, but now I'm gonna have to wait until October. Yes, that's a little wild. Okay, I finished my first appointment, had some snacks, gonna get ready for my second, but my first appointment we got to use the Rosy Hip gemstone collection in the green, and it is so effing nice. That was my first time putting it on a human. I love it. I kind of hope my next client wants to do that too. Okay, I'm done for the day. I'm going home to do laundry. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will catch you next time.